Now children, we move on to little difficult question, then we will go to more questions. So here cosec is given. So we draw a triangle like before. This angle is theta, you can call it A, B. B generally we take to be the right angle, C. So cosec theta, as I taught you in my first video children, is reciprocal of sine. It starts with C. So sine is this by this. Okay, sine is perpendicular, means we call opposite in that system, so by hypotenuse. So cosec is hypotenuse by opposite, which stands for opposite. So it is root 5, means root 5 is to 1, or root 5 by 1. Okay, so this is 1. So first thing, by Pythagoras theorem, we have to get the what we call adjacent or the base. So by Pythagoras theorem, BC square plus 1 square is equal to root 5 square. So BC square is 5, root 5 square is 5 minus 1, 4. So BC is root over 4, this is 2. Okay, you could have taken as x also, I told you, because this is a ratio, you could have used as x, I told you. Okay, because ratio chapter you have to take it as x. Now next thing, what we have to find, what is cot theta? Cot theta, tan is this by this, so ka to our t opposite by a, see my first video, 1 by 2 is tan, so 2 by 1 is cot, means cot is 2. Okay, and cos theta is 2 by root 5, cos is 2 by root 5. So kindly pause the video and copy. We will solve this by putting the value of cot minus cos. So cot is, I told you, this by this, and cos is this, it is cos this by this. So we will solve. So kindly pause the video and copy, then we will solve for this. So you must do all the question children. So what is called substituting? Cot 2 minus cot is 2 by root 5. Take common denominator root 5. Here 1 is there. It will be 2 root 5 minus 2. So take 2 common. Root 5 minus 1 by root 5. So that's why we do a chapter called rationalization. Okay, because here we had no common denominator. So we take the LCM, and this is actually basically LCM, but many times you will see in height and distance also, to get the answer we use the concept of rationalization. So once more, cot we get, cos we subtract, don't leave here, you may not get 1 mark, the last mark. So we take common LCM because your answer should have a common denominator. So 1 and 2 is root 5, 1 will go root 5 times and this will go 1 time, we take 2 common. So kindly pause the video, then I'll do one very nice sum and I'll teach you the trick also. So children, now we take a very interesting question which can be solved in one very lengthy way and one shortcut way. Just I'll tell you both the ways. Now here tan theta is given. Always draw a triangle children. So tan theta, if this is theta, this is P by Q. So one very long method is, you will find by Pythagoras theorem, method 1, just I am telling you can try, which most of the children and most of the teacher do like that. Okay, this is what you will do, get P square plus root over P square. Then they substitute the value. P sine theta is P by this, perpendicular by hypotenuse Okay, something like this it is done. Minus q, cos theta is q by this. Okay. So something like this happens, children. Then again denominator same thing with plus sign. Okay, same thing with plus sign. I am not going to that. Very easy method is there. There are many. Okay, next few videos we will see harder sums and tricky sums. Here, what we do here, so this was a traditional method. P, put sine theta, P by this is sine theta, Q, okay, this is cos theta, same thing here but with plus sign. Alright, but here dividing each term, what we do, dividing each term by cos theta, see what happens. Dividing each term by cos theta, what we get, see here, I'll show you in detail. Okay, so P sin theta I divide by cos theta, minus Q cos theta I divide, actually full thing I divide, I am going to the second step. Okay, then P sin theta by cos theta plus Q cos theta by cos theta. Now see what happens to this question, children. Okay, so this part I am rubbing and this is my method 2, which is a very shortcut method. Now sin theta by cos theta becomes tan theta. Sin by cos, remember one relationship. Sin by cos is tan, so you can read and remember these two things. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Second thing you must remember, cot theta, just the opposite is cos theta by sin theta. So in my other video I was telling you about three identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So like that we have 2 more. So remember this, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Cos cancels. This becomes only q. Again here denominator sin by cos becomes tan. After this we will substitute and cos will cancel. And one was plus and one was minus. Okay, now so this is my method 2. So what happens here, tan theta is P by Q and this is Q. So this is P into P by Q plus Q. So finally pause the video and copy, then we will go to the last part and get the answer. So please pause the video and copy. And so you see here the last part is we take LCM P square minus Q square by Q, and here I get P square plus Q square by Q. If you divide properly, this Q will cancel. Finally we will get P square minus Q square by P square plus Q square. So this will be the answer. This is in a very short and very tricky and very nice method. So kindly pause the video and copy. So remember, divide by cos theta, cos by sin by cos become tan, and cos cancels. Okay, so first method if you do, it will not give you a wrong answer, but it will be a very complex and complicated way of working. Okay, here children we take last few question. I'm not going to very difficult one, but next video maybe I'll do few difficult, 1 or 2 video very difficult question, and then we'll go to standard angles and you must watch and understand. So this why I have taken these 2 questions, because this is what is trigonometrical identities. This is what you have one chapter in class 10 and second is called height and distance, and this identities we prove questions like this. Okay, so this if you understand, then from here you can go and see my class 10 video also. So this is in class 9. We are doing class 9 ML Agrawal's book, exercise 17, but here this is the beginning of class 10 also. And standard angle we need for height and distance also, and many other applications. So see how we prove it, children. So this is, we'll prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, and the rule is we don't know which side we'll start, but we will start with the hardest one. So see here, and these identities you have to remember. This is in your chapter, your book, just before starting of the solved example. This is not mine. 3 identities, and this is there in class 10, one full chapter on this. So you can see one of my video. After doing this, you will understand and appreciate it better. Because many children, those who have not done class 9 nicely, they find it difficult to do this particular thing in class 10. That's why already this is my 3rd video, and 1 and 2 more here, and standard angle definitely 4-5 videos will have. Sin theta plus cos squared, sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1. 1 plus tan squared theta is sec squared theta. 1 plus cot squared theta is cosec squared theta. If possible, I'll give you proof of that also. It's very easy proof. So here we start with left hand side, children. We have to prove any one side will start. Okay. Cos theta, tan, children, we know is sin theta by cos theta. So 2 more things here I should add if you wish. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and this as I have already written before, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, and my very first video I have talked about 6 trigonometric ratio, and cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. So this you have to use, otherwise you cannot solve. This will cancel. So we get this is equal to sin theta. So cos, tan theta is sin by cos, cos will cancel, and this is equal to my RHS. Okay, so you can pause the video and try to understand. Just I have substituted and cancelled. Now see here, this I start with the hardest side. No, before I do, I'll take common, I'll take the LCM. Okay, you can go to next step, don't do in the question. Cos squared theta will be the common denominator. So cos will go once to cos, sin squared theta, and here 1 will go with cos time. Cos into cos is cos squared theta. See, we do like any fraction, like we do LCM, HCF, like that we find LCM of denominator and then we solve. Okay, addition of fraction like this, if you remember, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. What we do? We take the LCM. Suppose it is 1. Like this question. So what we do? Common LCM is 3, 2. This will, nothing is there means 1. It will go 4 into 3 times. So something like that we are doing. Okay. This is 1 means this will go 3 times. 1 3s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Now we know, children, we started with LHS. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1. So this full thing becomes 1. So I get 1 by cos squared theta, which is my RHS. So this proving sums are very important, children. Once more, we solve like a fraction, addition of fraction with a number. So like that trigonometry goes. So please practice solved and unsolved examples. Solved examples and do unsolved questions, and you will appreciate it better. So sin square plus cos square is 1. If you cannot substitute, you cannot solve this in any other way. So 1 by this, which is my RHS. So this is what we have, 1 chapter in class 10 and 1 3-mark question when we don't have, when we never had MCQ, was on this in section A of the question paper called trigonometric identities, and this type of question little bit harder you get in class 10, and in fact in class 11 this is the beginning of class 11. You will get more harder sums. So children, kindly pause the video, copy, and thank you for watching this video lesson.